Are you having trouble with Call of Duty getting stuck on the loading screen? If so, don't worry. Here is a detailed troubleshooting guide to help you resolve this issue with a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First, disable low power mode. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Battery. Toggle off low power mode. Solution 1. Update the Call of Duty game. Open the App Store, then search for Call of Duty. If an update is available, tap on Update. After updating, open Call of Duty and see if the problem is fixed. Solution 2. Turn airplane mode on and off. Swipe down from the right side of the screen. Then turn on airplane mode. Wait for 30 seconds. Turn airplane mode off. Check if this resolves the issue. Solution 3. Offload the Call of Duty game. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Find and tap on Call of Duty. Then tap on Offload app. Tap Offload again to confirm. Reinstall the app and the issue should be fixed. Hopefully, this will resolve the problem of Call of Duty being stuck on the loading screen. If you found this guide helpful, please drop a like. If you have any other issues, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching.